Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making some delicious macaroni salad, and I'm also going to be making some ricotta and spinach ravioli. So let's get ready. First we're going to start with the macaroni salad. We're going to start cutting up our vegetables. So here is my what do you call this? My celery. Gosh, I had a brain fart. Okay, my celery. I'm going to start with my celery. Going to chop it up, and then we're going to go from there. So let's start. I already have the macaroni boiling on the stove, so that's going to save me a step. Now, normally I like to put apples in my macaroni salad. Actually, it's going to be a noodle salad, a vegetable noodle salad. It's the vegetable noodles. Anyway, I'm going to cut up all this celery because I'm going to use this other celery in another recipe. So I'm going to stop right here because this is where you get to the bitter parts. So I'll stop right here on the ends. Okay, I believe I said I was gonna make chicken pasta salad, but it's gonna be tuna pasta salad because I have tuna instead of chicken. So we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, so let's continue. All right, so I've got my pasta here. I've got 2 bowls because I'm gonna make one for myself and one for some friends. All right, so I'm gonna take my tuna and I'm gonna dump it in there. I already drained my pasta, cooked and drained it, of course. All right, so I'm going to dump that tuna in there. And then I'm going to dump half of this tuna into the smaller one. And then I'm going to dump the other half in this big one. It's a lot of tuna, but it should be good. Okay, so we're going to do that. I'm going to get a big fork so I can stir it up really well. Okay, I've got a big fork. All right, now we're going to start adding our other ingredients. We're going to add our celery. I'm going to add some celery to the other one, the smaller one. Okay, we're going to add some black olives and some red peppers. Black olives and red peppers to both. And the rest of the black olives and red peppers to the bigger one. Okay, and that's that. Next, we're going to add our Dijon mustard. This is going to be a delicious salad, guys. All right. Y'all didn't see me do that. All right. I'm going to add Dijon mustard just to give it some flavor. Just going to give it some flavor. We're going to add just a teaspoon of vinegar. Just a teaspoon. This one I have a tablespoon. This one I'm just going to add a teaspoon. All right. Next, we're going to add our mayo. Delicious mayo. You grab the spoon. Get all this tuna off of it because I don't want tuna in my mayo. Just wipe that off. Okay. Wipe that spoon off really good. All right, now dip. Get 1, 2, maybe need 3. We'll see. And 1 and a half for that one. Okay, now what my secret ingredient is I'm going to add a little touch of milk, about a few teaspoons of milk, and my other secret ingredient is bacon bits. Oh, the heavens have opened up. Bacon bits. It's going to make a big difference in this salad. And I'm gonna top it off with bacon bits as well. And that's gonna be the pièce de résistance. Okay, now we're gonna bring this over here and I'm going to stir. I don't know what happened to my spoon. What happened to my spoon, guys? I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, I see it. It's in the mayo. Okay. We're just gonna stir this well, mix it well. Scrape all the way to the bottom. Pull the bottom up to the top. Pull the bottom up to the top. I think this needs some more mayonnaise, but we're gonna stir first. Get it all stirred well first. Then we'll decide if we need more mayonnaise. Get all that goodness out of there. Okay, and just stir. Making sure that you break up those clumps of tuna. Pull from the bottom so you know you're mixing it all well. And I also added some, as you can see, I added some frozen vegetables into the pot when I was boiling my pasta. I added frozen peas and carrots. I'll have the full recipe in the description for you guys. That tastes so good. I just tasted a little bit off my finger and it is delicious. I don't think I'm gonna add any more mayonnaise to this because it looks so good already. I'm gonna taste a little bit though. You know Ella has to taste. Oops, let me get that milk out of there. I forgot there was milk in that cup. Okay, Ella has to taste, do the taste test, because that's just how I am. You know what, I should have put some eggs in there, but then it would have been too much like potato salad, so that's okay. Let me grab a fork. And let's taste. All right, let's get this started. Let's taste this. That is so good, guys. So good. Let me taste one with a little black olive in it. That is so good. Somebody's ringing my doorbell. I know it's those kids, my kids playing outside, my granddaughter and her friends. So, the door's not locked, they want to come in. They come right on in. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and best of all, share my videos. Thank you. And as always, bon appetit. Bye. Okay, and here is the finished product. We got the smaller one, and we have the larger one.